Here's how to draw a basic passion figure. So the first thing you're going to do is that you're just going to draw a straight line on your drawing paper, and you're going to mark the first measurement to be 3 centimeter. You're going to mark another 3 centimeter, and you mark another 3 centimeter. Then you're going to mark 4.5 centimeter twice, and then 2.5 centimeter once. So at the point you've marked, you're just going to draw a line across, a horizontal line across all the points you've marked. At that point, the first point that we draw, we're going to mark 3 centimeter, that's 1.5 centimeter on both sides, and you're going to draw 2 centimeter and then 4 centimeter. So we have 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. So as you can see, our shape is already coming out. Then you're going to draw a line. You look for the midpoint on the next line, and then you're going to connect the line from the hip area down to that particular point. Basically, this is how to draw a basic figure. So any other thing that you're going to attach from the legs to the hand can actually be customized to fit your preference. So we're just going to draw the shoulder and draw a straight line away from the hip area to serve as our hand. Then you're just going to add flesh to the hand to give it more definition. Add flesh. For the hand, you're going to draw a rectangle, a small square, and an inverted triangle to give you that shape of hand, to give you the hand. And when you're done, you can actually customize the hand to look more presentable. So I'm just going to draw it. Every other thing, basically, you're just going to customize it to your taste. If you want the leg to be a little bit slimmer, depending on what you want. So this is just basically for beginners, so this can give you a fashion figure or a model figure basically. So you're just going to customize it the way you want, clean all the lines that are not supposed to be there. At the end of the day, all the lines all the measurements we took, we're going to clean all the lines and then draw it to look like a fashion figure that it can be. You add the head and the shape of the head. Remember, it does not have to come perfect, it does not have to be perfect. Remember, we are practicing, and practice make perfect. So keep drawing, you keep practicing. At the end of the day, you have more confidence and you have something that looks more like a fashion figure. Well, if that was helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up, kindly like, kindly share, and kindly follow me for more fashion tips. Thank you.